Good day everyone! So after the video tutorial for the neon effect, we will now have the drip effect. So for the picture to be used today, we will be having another crash landing on UCAS, which is Lee Shen Yang or Park Kwang Bom, who is also among the soldiers who Captain Lee trusts the most. So he seems the a mysterious type of soldier in Captain Lee's troop. Why fans, do you agree? So let's have his picture. Again, click the purple and pink button on the lower part of the screen. As you can see, I already edited a picture of him a while ago, but we will do it again for our video tutorial. Click all photos. So his original picture is this one. So to start the editing, we need to make it as a sticker. So swipe to the left, click cut out, and then we will begin tracing. So just adjust the size. Tracing the picture. So that the background would be removed. So be careful in tracing so that unnecessary background would not be included. Okay? So if you're satisfied, click the arrow on the upper right corner of the screen. So it says creating a sticker. And then, let us check. So, as for the eye, a part of it is not included. So, use the pen tool, adjust the size, and then color it. Okay. So, it's now in red. Also, a bit of the sleeve. So, let's include this one. Zoom in, zoom out so that it would not be difficult for you to edit the sticker. Okay. So, I'm satisfied with this one. Save. So, save to my stickers. And then, click again the arrow at the upper right. So, save to gallery. So, I'm now done. So, for the second part, again, click the plus sign on the purple and pink circle. And then, go to backgrounds. Color backgrounds. So, to be specific, click the white one. So, this is how it looks like. Click sticker. And then, go to my stickers. Click cutouts. And then, click the picture or the sticker that we edited a while ago. Adjust the size. As you can see, there are rough parts, especially on the side. So, to clean it, we will use the eraser. And then erase. Click it again to adjust the size. We'll make it smaller so that it would not be too difficult to erase. And then zoom the picture and then begin erasing. As you can see, the black parts are being removed. Again, be careful. Just in case you did something that is not part of the editing, you can just click undo this button. Okay. It may take some of your time, but I promise it's worth the patience and the effort. For me, it's already nice or presentable enough. So I'll just proceed. Click check. And then the plus sign on the lower left, click it. Then add the photo. We will now add the drip effect. So this would be the samples, this one and this one. So I already downloaded this one. So I added the photo. Adjust the size. And then swipe to the left. Click blend. Click screen. As you can see, it is already blending with the picture of Park Kwang. So we just adjust. So that is now how it looks like. So I guess that's presentable enough. Click. And then let's do some effects. So as for the recent, let's use undead. So be sure that your connection is a bit fast for easy editing also. So again, let's use undead. Actually, you could also use other options. It's just that I want to use this one. Or we could try. So for the cartoonizer, I guess this one is also good. Let's just adjust. Not good enough, but still. So last one, last try. Okay. Then, click these three circles to adjust the color. Or to adjust the fade effect. So let's use this screen and then let's make it 86. And then check. We can also add other effects. Let's try 1993. Or okay, 1993 would do. Okay. I adjusted the fade to 74. Let's click check. And then last one, add a sticker. For the recent, yeah, let's have stay at home. So, as a reminder, from one of your Chloe favorite characters, Park Hong-bam, stay home. Let's save it to the gallery. I'm now done. Let's go back. And here you go. So stay home, keep safe. Thank you for watching. God bless.